Here is a short story about a 1954 Royal Enfield bullet. From this side, this is the drive side, showing the primary chain cover, the dynamo and magneto, and the aluminium cylinder head. This is very similar to what they're making in India these days. They make about 500,000 a year in India. And we have a front number plate on this, which was common at the time, not common now. The alloy Enfield casquette headlamp casing. This is the timing side of the engine, showing the timing cover, which has the gears to drive the camshaft and magneto. The engine is a semi-unit construction, being as the gearbox is bolted to the engine, but not unit construction. Here he goes now. At the rear there's a frame to hold the canvas panniers, which was ordered from the factory. And it's a very similar style to what the dispatch riders would have used during the war. The gears, of course, are on the right, and there's the rear brake on the left.